Hello and welcome to Berthon. My name's Robert. We have something special to show you today. It's a rare to the market Windy 37 Grand Mistral Open version. So this means that she has the targa arch, and that can be fully enclosed and heated for when the sun stops shining. So the 37 Grand Mistral was built out in Arendal, Norway, and for me she has a real presence and elegance on the water. The Hans-Jorgen Johnson designed hull is forgiving, precise, and it's immensely strong and great fun to drive. And that solid build quality will give you the confidence to get the family out on the water safely. So either locally or further afield. You have approximately a 400 nautical mile cruising range. That's at about 26 knots. So THAISA is a 2007 build. She's now in her second ownership. The current owner is moving up through the windy range. So you can see these teak steps leading up to the side deck. So we've got teak on the side decks, cockpit, sole and bathing platform. Really good handrails all the way around in stainless steel, nice and high bulwarks so it's safe to get around. Got a windlass there. And as we look aft, you can see the bimini that the owner had fitted in 2019. And he's also had the tonneau adapted so that he keeps this permanently up. So you have a cockpit table in the middle there, U-shaped seating, seats 8 comfortably. Have a wet bar off to port. So we've got a little fridge and a sink with mixer tap. Highly polished teak table. Trademark of Windy's. Still in top condition. Again, this boat is 2007. You can see that grey upholstery that was redone in 2019 in a Sunbrella. Up on the helm you can actually seat 3 up here. We've got updated Raymarine equipment. This was all done in 2019. So we've got an Axiom PRO plotter, radar, sonar, AIS, VHF. You can see we've got the trim tabs there as well. So very, very well equipped. That's for your charts if anyone's guessing. Really sociable cockpit. Great place to be. Seats are bolstered so you can stand or sit. Down there we have a large lazarette. You can fit a fold-up bike in there if needed. Down below the joinery is highly polished. It's a cherry finish and it's in great condition as if it just came out of the factory. True sign of quality, that being 13 years old. Really comfortable space to be, to get out the sun. So we've got Eberspacher diesel-fired heating system on board. The owner, again, he's updated the sound system, so that's a new Fusion system put in 2019. We've got speakers in the saloon as well as the cockpit. So you've got a gas oven, it's currently being used as a bookshelf. And we've got a 2-burner hob. Sink again with tap. And another fridge. So up forward, we've got a double V-berth. So it's all with a sprung mattress and fitted sheets. Mattress was actually recently replaced. Owner's done a great job of updating the boats. There's a little TV there. That's got a digital antenna on the radar arch. So in the aft cabin, again, double, nearly full beam berth. Very comfortable. Got isolators up there. A good size hanging locker to starboard. Ensuite access. This is a wet room, so you can pull that shower curtain across and pull the shower out of the tap. Nice, easy access to the seacocks, and you can see it's all nicely labelled. Another nice trait from Windy. So this is the day head access, and the owner's actually installed a Quietflush electric head. So that was new in 2019. So we'll have a look in the engine room now. So in here we have a pair of Volvo Penta D4 260s. These are an inline 4-cylinder 3.7 litre turbocharged and after-cooled diesel engine, and these use the common rail fuel injection, so this is in the interest of economy. You can see we've got hot water on board, and both engines have been overhauled in this ownership. They are running in tip-top condition. The oil coolers and the heat exchangers have recently been taken off for servicing, and all Volvo recommendations have been carried out. Comprehensive service history going with the boat. You can see we've got the batteries off to port. All in very, very good order. Very well maintained example of this faultless family cruiser, available now with Berthon.